This literature kit on The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis plays with the concept of destiny. Travel through a wardrobe to a fantastical land filled with strange creatures, a witch, and a prophecy. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students put themselves in Peter's shoes and imagine how he feels about staying at the professor's house. Get into the mind of Lucy and predict what she will do about what she learns of the wardrobe. Break down the conversation Peter and Susan have with the professor to determine why it was so strange. Answer multiple-choice questions about Narnia's history based on what was read in the novel. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Create a map of the witch's fortress. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Draw and describe some of the creatures from the book. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.